Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I wanted to post a chart here of the S&P. And notice that today's low was 2 standard deviations from the mean, which is where the option players have to come in and really protect their positions. And as you can see, it was right down there real early in the morning. But in the middle of the night, around 2 o'clock in the morning, we were looking at something that was really quite spectacular from my perspective, is we were making the low 382 low to the exact tick, 58.64. The low was 58.64, and it was exactly 0.382 off of the low on September the 3rd. So very, very interesting. We did the same thing with the Russell, except the Russell was only making a 382 retracement, and it was really quite amazing here to see what happened to them, so far today, because we are having a huge rally. The Dow Jones is up well over 1,000 points off its bottom, and the S&P has moved 180 handles. Always a lot of fun when you trade that one. And it was really telling you that something big was happening in the middle of the night, because when we see those things, the big ABCDs was down there at that 58.60 with the down 65 points overnight, and then boom, 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 it starts up. Boy, that short covering rally, when it starts, it's really a doozy. So we have not changed our bearish positions at all. What we are doing is we're watching it closely, because if the open interest is really increased big time and this market closes into new high ground, a person cannot be sure. But right now, to me, this is just a dead cat bounce, and boy, that cat has spring in its legs, as they say in the trade. So we need to pay very, very close attention to them. Also, folks, remember, we've been talking about gold for quite a while. We had our bottom here at the 382 here this morning, and we went up and we made our ABCD target right up there at 2650. The high was 2653, and so far it's just doing exactly what we hoped it was going to do. I'll bring this up here so you can see it here. This is what the forecast was, and it actually worked relatively well today. It still maintained a high of 253 so far. So those are the things that we're paying here close this morning. So live every day in an attitude of gratitude, and may God bless.